We want to bring you some of our top Bloomberg headlines this hour. Federal Reserve Bank Chicago President Charles Evans saying he would support various stimulus measures to generate faster job growth. He tells Bloomberg that more asset purchases, mortgage-backed securities purchases, would show investors that low-rate policies will remain in place for some time. Next week, by the way, there is an FOMC meeting. The yield on Spanish bonds soaring to a record, of Fitch predicting the government will miss budget-cutting targets. The yield on the 10-year rose 33 basis points, 6.83%. The news just focusing in on that concern that $125 billion bailout for Spanish banks will not be enough to support the system. Shares of social gaming company Zynga hitting an all-time low, down more than 12%, under $5. This is after an analyst at Cowen said the daily active usage dropped more than 8% last month. Analysts say more and more people are playing games on mobile devices instead of on Zynga's Facebook platform.